Okay, let us press on with more tips for your Algebra 2 and SAT Math. Okay, so here's a question for you. We have expression on the left and on the right. Have an equation. We have ax plus 3, parenthesis, bx plus 6, parenthesis, if the product is equal to 18x squared plus kx plus 18, if this if this is true for all values of x, and then we're given another condition, and a plus b is also equal to 11, what are the two possible values of k? How do you go about this? Okay, so when you see a question like that, okay, always certain keywords and phrases, certain things should come to mind. Okay, so what you see here, you have identical equations, all right? Left hand side equals right hand side, all right? So what are we going to do? Okay, we are here. We need to arrange. In this case, we need to arrange the left side to look like the right side. So we need to multiply the binomial. So now you have to come here. You have to come here and then multiply your ax plus 3 times the bx plus 6. Okay, so just to save time, it's on the board. And I want you to take a look at it. So if we multiply it, a x times bx will be abx squared, and then ax times the 6 becomes 6ax. Okay, and then here we are foiling it. So and then we take the 3 times bx becomes 3bx, and then 3 times 6 becomes 18. All right. So if you look at it, these numbers are the same. Okay, and so what do you do? Okay, now we need to, sorry, sorry about that. What we need to do is, on the left side here, see how we have a term, we have 6ax and 3bx. So we factor out the x, and then we have 6a plus 3b, right? I haven't changed anything. I just put the x outside, and then 6a plus 3b. If I multiply it through, it becomes 6ax plus 3bx. Okay, so we factored it. So now we look at the terms, the x squared, we say abx squared is equal to 18x squared. So that means a times b equals 18, right? A couple of possibilities. It could be 3 times 6 or 9 times 2, right? Or 18 times 1. But we are given a second condition here. Okay, we also told that a plus b equals 11. So now we can narrow down possibilities of A and B, right? So now we know that it's 2 and 9. 2 and 9 multiplied to give you 18, and then when you add them, it gives you 11. Okay, but we don't know which one is 9, which one is 2. So A could be 9 and B could be 2. Or A could be 2 and B could be 9, right? Okay, all right, so now if you look at it again, the x term here, the kx, right, and the 6a plus b times xc, the term in x, left side, okay, you compare them, and then you see that your k, right, your k is equal to 6a plus 3b. So this is your k. All right, so now this is why we're going to have two possible values of k. Okay, when a equals 9 and b equals 2, k is 6 times 9 plus 3 times 2, right? Which is 54 plus 6, 60. Okay, now then if a equals 2 and b equals 9, then k is 6 times 2 plus 3 times 9. 3 9 is what? 27. 27 plus 12 is 39. So you get it? That is the reason why. So we go back and look at our options, and our answer will be B. Okay, so recap, look at the question, right? If you look at things like that, you have expressions on the left with some letters in there, right? We need to find what the letters are. we need to open it up, FOIL it, or multiply the binomial, okay, and then compare like terms. Okay, compare the terms in x squared, terms in x, all right? Okay, and then we arrive at what AB, the product AB is equal to, and then what K is also equal to. And then we are also given in the question A plus B. So that tells us, that narrows down the possibilities of A and B, okay, right? We have two possibilities now, A equals 9, B equals 2, or A equals 2, B equals 9. That is why the question is asking you what are the two possible values of K. Put it in, that's your answer. Okay, try this. Try this. We have a similar question here, right? We have, says we have this binomial, PY plus 7 times QI plus 3. This is equal to 27y squared plus ky plus 21 for all values of y, and p plus q is equal to 12, second condition, right? So you have identical equation and also have what? System of equations, okay? You got equation there, another equation here. What are the two possible values of k? So solve it, okay? Then come back and check your answer. Pause the video, go over what I did, solve it, come back and check. Did you get A? K equals 48 and 72? All right. If not, go over, right? Put two possible values of P and Q. See, the product could be 27. That means 3 times 9 or 27 times 1. We don't know, but we're given a second condition that we're told P plus Q equals 12. So we know the two numbers are 9 and 3. Okay, so P could be 9 and Q could be 3, or P could be 3 and Q could be 9. Okay, all right. When you fall these here and factor the term in X, you see that the K right here, the K is 3P plus 7Q. So you substitute the two possible values of P and Q in there, and this is what you arrive at. Okay, keep on practicing, and all things being equal, what do I keep telling you? You shall bloom. Welcome to Bloom Leadership Academy.